Weekend Update.
Hey guys, how we doing today? Just wanted to give a quick update on the channel. So far we have posted some lockpicking videos. I think there's one more to post next week. How are we feeling about these? Are they fun? Are they useful? Are they interesting? The video series about turning your Raspberry Pi into a server that runs Foundry VTT, runs a Discord bot, and it runs a web app to roll dice across the screen in OBS. That was kind of fun to do. I know we had a request to run through my setup, so look for that next week. Or I guess this week coming up. We've posted some more gameplay videos of Valheim. I believe we have made it to the swamp by the time this video posts, and we are entering the swamp in the upcoming videos. What else?
I've got a thing that changes my voice.
That's kind of fun. Integrate that into Foundry gameplay for the big bad guy, the Lich in the most current version. Would you guys be interested in seeing maybe a video or series of videos where I cover what we've done in game so far? I don't know. Let me know. All right, guys. Thank you very much. This has been the Weekend Update, and we'll see you in the next video.